Empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water.
Hey people, I hope you all are doing well. And let's get started with the Euro USD chart analysis today. So we are having multiple high impact news into the market today and the price could be really volatile. So let's move to the charts now. You already don't know what to do. So this is the monthly chart and what we are seeing that the price is sweeping the highs, which means that there is a bearish sentiment in the market right now into the monthly levels because the price closed within the previous candles range and now we are getting a close above this candle range. So kind of bearish sentiment to the major monthly charts. So let's move to the weeklies now. As we move into the weeklies, what we see is that we don't have any FVG over here, which is a sign of a weak uptrend according to the weekly charts. But what we see here is that this bullish FVG was respected by the market. So the bias is kind of mixing up because on one side we are not having any bearish FVG, on the other side we are not having any bullish FVG, which is kind of a mixed signal by the price. And yeah, we are having this volume imbalance in the price here. So this could be a resistance zone as well as the price can go to fill this up. This will be an area to see where which is going to give us a clear bias in which direction our price is going to go. So let's move to the dailies now. As we move into the dailies, what we see is that this was the FVG and the price responded from this FVG. Now, what happened was the price took this high and currently we are within this candle's range. I mean, this complete range of the bullish side. So, if we break below this candle's low with a candle closure, most likely will be bearish. And if that doesn't happen, and if we take this high, let's say this high, with a strong candle close, then the price will show that we are going to go up. So this current scenario, this current bullish leg is the deciding factor. If the price is going to break the low or the high, then only we'll be able to decide in which direction we are going to go. So let's move to the 4 hours now. As we move into the 4 hours, what we see is that this is the volume imbalance till now, and this is the high I was talking about. So now I'm anticipating that I'm not anticipating till now. I'm I'll be waiting actually if the price is going to get a close below this structure or particular this structure. So there is a thing that why am I only considering this structure, because it has taken some kind of liquidity and it is a relative strong high. So if this is going to break, then I'll be bullish into the price, and these both are going to be my liquidity target. Apart from that, if that doesn't happen, then uh, a whole new side of the bearish liquidity will open and the price can go till below this structure. So that will be a matter to see if we are going to get a close below this structure or above this structure. So let's move to the 1 hours now. As we move into the 1 hour, we can see the scenario quite clear. This is the strong high we are having, and it is a relative strong low we are having into the market. So currently we are within this candles within this range, and nothing is much clear. So you can scalp into the lower time frames, but I'll refrain from trading today because the bias is still not clear for me. So for today's trade idea, I don't have any idea till we are going to break this high or this particular low. So let's see what the market does into the future. So this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching.